Students, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. Let us start a new poem today. Name of the poem is A Legend of Northland. Legend means an old traditional story. Here we are going to see an old traditional story of Northland. Northland means any country which is situated near North Pole. Okay, countries like Greenland, Alaska, Scandinavia, upper part of Russia or Canada, they are called Northland. Among those countries, one country, it is not mentioned exactly which country it is, and this poem is in the form of ballad. Ballad means a song narrating story in short stanzas. Okay, a song narrating story in short stanzas. In this poem also we can see 16 stanzas, and every stanza has 4 lines. Okay. Ballads are the part of folk culture or popular culture and are passed on orally from one generation to the next generation. Ballads are part of folk culture and popular culture. They are passed on orally from one generation to the next. And this poem narrates the legend of an old lady who angered Saint Peter because of her greed. This particular poem we are going to see an old lady who angered Saint Peter because of her greed. Because of her greed, she angered Saint Peter. Okay. Now let us start the poem. Away, away in the Northland, where the hours of the day were few and the nights are so long in winter that they cannot sleep them through. Away, away in the Northland, far away in the Northland, where the hours of the day are few. In that place, hours of the day are few, and nights are so long in winter that they cannot sleep them through. But nights were, hours of the nights were more. Okay, the nights are so long in winter that they cannot sleep them through. Whole night they could not sleep. So long nights they had. They used to sleep. Okay, for a long time they used to sleep. After that they used to wake up. Then also it used to be night there. It means they could not sleep whole night because nights were so long, especially in winter season. Where they harness the swift reindeer to the sledges when it snows, and children look like bears' cubs in their funny furry clothes. Where they harness means they tie the swift reindeer to the sledges. Sledges means carriage. Okay. They used to tie swift reindeer to the carriages. Okay, sledges when it snows during the winter season. When it snows, that time they used to carry, they used to tie swift reindeer to the sledges, to the carriages. And children look like bear cubs during the winter season. Children look like bear cubs in their funny furry clothes. Children, they used to wear funny furry. Furry means clothes made of animals' fur. Okay. They used to wear funny furry clothes. Because of their funny furry clothes, they were looking like bear cubs, young ones of bear. Okay. They tell them a curious story. I don't believe this, it is true, and yet you may learn a lesson if I tell the tale to you. They means parents tell them means to the children a curious story. Parents of that area or of that country, they tell their children a curious story. I don't believe it is true. Poet doesn't believe that story, and yet you may learn a lesson if I tell the tale to you. Still, he wants to tell that tale to us because we may learn something from that story. Once, when the good Saint Peter lived in the world below and walked about it, preaching just as he did, you know. See here, once when the good Saint Peter lived in the world below and walked about it preaching. Saint Peter, he is apostle of Jesus Christ. Okay. Apostle of Jesus Christ means follower of Jesus Christ, or we can say disciple of Jesus Christ. He was traveling all over the world giving religious lectures or giving preachings or giving religious lectures. He was traveling all over the world. He came to the door of the cottage in traveling round the earth, where a little woman was making cakes and baking them on the hearth. See here. He came to the door of a cottage. He came to the door of a small house in traveling round the earth. While he was traveling around the earth, one day he came to the door of a cottage where a little woman was making cakes. Inside that cottage, a little woman was making cake and baking them on the hearth. She was baking them on the hearth. Hearth means fireplace for cooking. Okay. Sitting in front of her, she was baking cakes. And being faint with fasting, for the day was almost done, he asked her from her store of cakes to give him a single one. See, and being faint means weak, lost energy. Being faint with fasting from the morning, he hadn't eaten anything. He lost his energy, became weak. And for the day was almost done. The day was almost done means almost it was evening time. He asked her from her store of cakes to give him a single cake. And he asked that Saint Peter asked that little lady, old little lady, to give him a single cake from the store of cakes. So she made a very little cake, but as she baking lay, she looked at it and thought it seemed too large to give away. So she made a very little cake, small size cake, but as it baking lay, when that was baking on the hearth, she looked at it and thought it seemed too large to give away. When it was baking, she looked at that cake. That time that cake seemed too large to give away, to give someone. Why I have to give this much big cake, she thought for a moment. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching video.